So what we've got here is the DigiLase Duo. So just behind me, we have two lasers. So we've got laser 1, we've got laser 2. Now in there, we have the full cut bed for each laser. So we've got a 325 and a 325 cut beds. Now what that allows us to do is to split the work up between the lasers. So if we was kiss cutting, for example, we could evenly balance the workloads. So we can get higher run speed out of the press. If we're to do a sheet, for example, we could do all the kiss cutting on laser 1, we could then do the through cut sheet on laser 2. One other benefit of having two lasers, if one laser has to be into a maintenance procedure, we can easily deactivate laser 1 or laser 2 with no change to the file and run a single laser mode. So it really means we're very flexible in our approach. Now, one new piece of development that we've done on the DigiLase is a function called repeat flow. Now what repeat flow is, I'll show you, is every single repeat on that job can be unique. So standardly we've had workflow, which is a QR code, and then let's say 10 meters, a QR code, 20 meters of the same jobs. This is allowing us to do every single job unique to a specific customer. They might want one sheet, they might want 10 sheets. It doesn't really matter, we just drive it through the press. So what we'll do, I'll set the machine running, and we can have a look at this repeat flow in action. So coming off the unwind, we will have the rolls, and on those rolls we've got the print and the QR codes. Now in the laser cut bed itself in a moment, we will see what is happening. So we've got laser 1 on the right hand side, it's doing all the kiss cutting that's within those shapes. So we can see we're going around the intricate detail in there. Laser 2, which is on the left, is doing the individual sheets. So we're balancing that workload between the press to get the most efficient output on there. Now what we see is, you can see those different jobs changing, and that's all driven from the QR code. So we limit the speed, accelerate or decelerate, depending what's in the cut area. On the top HMI is your standard operator page, and what you'll see as those jobs pass through the machine, it's going to change that die line. If we've got 4, we have 4 of those repeats. If we have 5, we have different unique repeats. So everything can be catered, and we just drive it through ABG Connect, which is what's present on this machine here today. So it's a wonderful feature, and it really gives you that unique ability for your customer to do short runs, very short runs, minimal waste and the highest output to give you a great turnover in there. As we lay down onto the conveyor, we can see where we're changing between jobs, and there's no input from an operator. All that is purely driven in an automated process. As we get to a more simpler job, line speed speeds up. More complicated job, line speed can slow back down. And that's all driven from the data that we feed the press. So a little bit of an overview of the DigiLase Duo. If you want to know any more information, please come and speak to myself or one of the team. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you.